Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ron. If you're new to my community, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel? It helps my members know when I post the latest video like this one. Well, today is Monday. It is July 12th. It is also raining outside. And it's not just raining out, it's pouring cats and dogs, and it's thundering, lightning, and all that good stuff going on to at least this afternoon. So we decided to, perfect day to make some recipes. So today we're going to be making easy peasy Chaffles. And I say, what the heck are easy peasy Chaffles? Well, Chaffles took the place of bread if you're doing the ketogenic lifestyle. Now, I absolutely love bread, and so when I came across some Chaffle recipes, I trying to figure out what might work best for me, and I found a number of YouTubers that have their own variations of the Chaffle recipe. But this particular recipe calls for 2 ingredients. And any keto approved condiments, and the ingredients you're going to be using today is ultra thin cheese. Now, I have only seen this particular company, I'm not sure how to pronounce the name, but I'll have the package of the cheese on the timeline over my voice, and I found it at the grocery store, and I've only seen the Swiss cheese and the ultra thin provolone cheese. Now, I had the deli cut it up ultra thin for me there, and they couldn't get to the right texture that this particular cheese does, and it works really well. And of course you're going to need a mini dash, and if you haven't got a mini dash, they're pretty much available all over the place. I picked mine up on Amazon for under $10, but you can get them at Walmart's, Target's, Lowe's. I suppose you could probably get it at Lowe's, but Walmart's, Target's, Kohl's, Amazon, and the one that I have now that we're going to be using, I got mine at Amazon last year when the virus hit, when they started doing my ketogenic lifestyle back in August, and it replaces the white bread. And what's great about the Chaffles, you can use the Chaffles for croutons. If you're doing salads, you can take them and toast them in the broiler and let them cool down, and cut them up into little cube slices, little chunks, and put them on salads. They make terrific hamburger buns. I've used mine for sandwiches when I'm hungry. I'll make tuna sandwiches with them, grilled cheese sandwiches with them, and when we're done, we'll figure out what the macros are, and we'll put them up in the timeline. Typically, I'll take 3 eggs and I'll put it in a Pyrex measuring cup, and I use a Pyrex measuring cup for so it makes it easier to pour. And then once I get the 3 eggs cracked in there, I'll put a little bit of salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, everything bagel seasoning in, and then I'll just whisk it all together. I don't put any milk or anything like that in it, and it's salt and pepper at the taste. And then when the mini dash heats up, I'll take 1 slice of cheese, lay it on the mold. The trick is to let the cheese melt a little bit, and then pour your egg mixture over the mold, and put another slice of cheese on the top of the mixture, and close your lid and wait 3.5 minutes. When it's done, the light will beep off, and it'll indicate that it's done. I wouldn't recommend opening up the mini dash while the process is cooking, because you're going to have a heck of a mess. And make sure you put your mini dash on a paper plate like I'm showing you in the video that you're going to watch. And the reason why you do that is because in case you overfill your mold, you'll have one heck of a mess on the countertop, and you don't want to be cleaning something that you're going to be regretting later. Now, I had the nutty idea of trying these on the waffle maker, and I got in a waffle maker a while back ago from a friend, and it was brand new, and they never used it, and I bought it from them, and I love making waffles with it. So I got the nutty idea of making Chaffles with it one day, and I forgot to spray the top and the bottom with a little bit of olive oil or a little bit of spray. And so when I didn't spray it, this is what the result looked like. It was one heck of a mess. It was funny as anything. But yeah, so if you do 3 eggs, it'll typically make 4. And when the Chaffles are done, I'll remove them off the mini dash, and I'll put them onto a cooling rack and let them cool for a while, and then I'll put them in a plastic container or a plastic Ziploc bag, and I'll have it for later or typically like on a Monday like today. I'll make a bunch of these up for the week, and so whenever I want it, like a egg salad sandwich or a tuna sandwich, or you could just slap a slice of cheese in the middle and toast them. And I even made I use the Chaffles for little mini pizzas, and those came out really good. I just recently started doing some recipes on in the kitchen. And typically we have to live, so my wife, she has the TV going all day most of the time, and so I thought maybe I would talk about the recipe that I'm going to be filming first, like today, and just go in the kitchen and start filming it, and just put the background music, with the instructions over the timeline, and so that's how I'm doing this one, and let me know what you guys think. Remember, if you like the video, please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps out the members know when I have posted the latest video, and I'll post the macros. How much I think there are about 2 or 3 macros per egg. It's not really that much because three eggs will make 4 Chaffles. So typically, if I know I'm going to be eating Chaffles all week, and I typically will do sometimes, I've used those before for they make great BLT sandwiches and stuff like that, and so you can use those for just about anything. I tried peanut butter on them a few times, and it wasn't that bad, but it came out really good. But I'm gonna turn it over to the kitchen, so I'm gonna kill the video at this point, and we're gonna come over to the kitchen, and let's go ahead and cook the Chaffles.